When I was a kid, you could walk up there. You could walk up top there. You could walk up top, and there was no roof on the top of the building, so it was all open to the sun. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I don't think you can walk up there anymore. I'll have to go up there and see if it's still locked. The other day it was locked. We'll have to see. Have to see if it's locked. Here we have the blower house.
Tannehill Campground covers over 1,500 acres in central Alabama. With more than 17 miles of trails, you can explore the old church, the schoolhouse from 1923, the many 18th century cabins they have, and a working grist mill on Roots Valley Creek. You can also camp. We'll explore all this in upcoming episodes.
Let's go look at some more of the furnace.
I needed to get the light to see.
But where I'm standing right now is inside the furnace where they made musket balls and cannonballs.
See, a lot of it's just blocked off.
Look up there, check that out.
The roof of it.
And used to, you could go up on the roof. You could go up on the roof up there. You could walk across that walk. But now you can't. They've got it locked off, I guess for safety purposes. Back in the 80s and the 90s, you could do that. You could go walk up there. Yeah, see? This is a nice big place. This is fun. It's, you know, it's history. It's historic. You know, the war between the states. It's a lot of fun. It's a great state park. People have family reunions and gatherings, and the third Saturday or the third weekend of the month, every month between March and either October or November, they have trade days, which is a flea market, basically a flea market. But yeah, my girls love coming here because they like playing in the dirt. Here we go. Let's go over here. So this is a I scared you. I scared my kids. Happens all the time. This is a nice, big, spacious park, though. Lots of places to walk, lots of things to go look at. Creeks, rivers, plaques, monuments.